Question 6B.
Define the rituals performance during marriage in traditional African communities.
Yes, marriage rituals. Marriage rituals. You choose a marriage partner, then you make negotiations, then there is courtship. You pay dowry, you exchange gifts, there is feasts. I was accepting also if there is a ceremony, right? Because you have to feast. There is singing or celebrations, there is offering sacrifices. There is also bathing together with medicinal water, breaking of virginity, and then there is seclusion. Part C.
Six factors that have affected kinship ties in modern society.
Yes, and kinship ties are in the traditional African society. When we are tied together, we come and work together as a community from a particular ethnic community. We no longer do that. So what has affected? Why have we ended up like that? That we are not together. We are not living together. Sorry, you are not following. You are not following your kinship ties. In that you're not respecting. You don't live in the same area. Not even living in the same area. Our relationship with your cousin, how you relate with the cousins nowadays is not. Some of the relationships people have, it's not normal. People tell you, oh, I find with a girl, tell me this is my cousin. No, I don't know about cousin. People, when you tell me cousin, I see girlfriend. There is no cousin. Because earlier we had kinship ties in the traditional African community, yes? And we could be able to respect each other. I could not see it in the same space with what? With my father what? In law. Because of the respect of the kinship tie, right? But today we don't. Why? Factors that have affected those ties. Number one is we have influence from Western culture. Even during that time, people could not even sit in the same environment with them. Even your own father, you're respecting them. But now, what has affected those ties? Western culture, influence from what? The Western culture. There is also mass media, migration, permissiveness in the society. Land tenure system is whereby land now is not what? Community owned. People own individual. Even they say there is no land that it should not be what? Sold. People sell land. There is also employment. People have moved away from the communities. Western education, high cost of living, intermarriages. So you find that you don't follow the kinship ties from your own community because now you're married to another community. Modern system of government, whereby we no longer value the leadership of the what? The clan, right? Yes. That's all.